is we need four. I mean, it's too many. It's very important, and I'm very glad that we are here because you really can feel that this commute is easy. Because of course you can put your bike on the train, but you have to pay. And I love this. Is telling you to walk in this direction, and you're gonna be in 10 minutes walking distance in the museum park. So they wanted to bring all design element. Could be an arrow, and it is pointing to the city hall. So if we continue the diagonal, we wanna go to the city hall. The new plan of this location, I have already 7 minutes walking distance. So it is like a really big alignment to the museum. This is a very, very intelligent urban. Different materials and 3 different languages, but this one project, right?
Yeah.
It was 3 former buildings. We see this very, 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 very precise.
How did they grow them like that?
They were manipulating 200 trees in order to have a digital clock.
Okay.
So this was being interactive during the 90s. So it's 10:48, and I cannot read the second 5, 6.
Yes.
Very interesting.
Yeah. Clever idea. We have charity shops, a lot of charity shops.
Okay. On the shopping mall.
Yeah.
Okay.
When something closes, a charity.
So this is the city hall.
Like with an umbrella.
Where
I couldn't do that.
Very narrative. Right, this is an artist. But this is interior. It's a lovely. I mean, of course, when you do the structure.
Yeah.
When you do wooden structure, then you're gonna have. It's a lovely object. And also with the motto from this kind of a company. So Lego building.
So they make bits and they bring them.
It's a prefab modular, but it's flexible. When I see in the city center, this is late Gothic. So we are. This is a river that gives the name to the city. This is the Rotterdam.
Oh, right.
Okay. So we're gonna see the location of the first dam, and it's up in the river with the dam.
These are 1990s, are they?
This is 90. Yeah. In the old harbor, and then the road they was coming, and they stopped here. Right. And we can see the church from the same firm.
Right.
And it's a mirror museum. It's a lovely, outstanding design. The opening,
Yeah.
but has this wow, it has this wow factor. And the here is a really, I love the logistics. Okay, this is a single picture. This is a photo, a digital file of. We see the timber house, this pixelated building. We see the tower from the city hall,
Right.
and next to the very well arranged. The road that goes underneath is very busy, and here it's very quiet. Right. and here. This is up to you.
Yeah,
It's
I don't mind.
uh,
We'll be able to find out.
Kitchen?
If I was 20, yes, but I have too many shoes, so for me it's too small. Should that no?
Bedroom.
No, this is the same room. It's a keen that I've been inside. The pencil sharpener. That's pretty fabulous. And another bike safe. What did you
Hi.